Here, we are mounting the quadcopter frame arms onto the DJI power distribution board directly. The hex screws and L-shaped hex key wrench, also known as Allen wrenches, is going to come with the DJI frame set. To mount the DJI frame arms onto the DJI power distribution board, align the hex screw holes up and turn the frame upside down. Insert the hex screws by hand and twist slightly to hold the frame and arm together. After inserting both hex screws, tighten them with the provided L-shaped hex key wrench. Repeat this procedure for all 4 arms. Next, mount the upper panel on top of the quadcopter arms. Insert 4 hex screws for each corner to secure the mount and the frame arm. After attaching the upper panel, secure the ESCs that were soldered onto the DJI power distribution board with zip ties. Make sure to zip tie the ESCs on the underside of the frame arms and orient them so no cables are twisted. Repeat this for all 4 arms and ESCs. After securing all the ESCs to the DJI frame arms with zip ties, clip the extra length on each zip tie up to the knot to prevent extra zip tie ends from getting caught in the motor blades later on. Next, mount the motors to each end of the arms with another 4 hex screws that are inserted from the bottom. Make sure before you attach the motors to the arms to orient the motors so that the cables face inward to the center of the frame. This will allow the motor cables to reach the ESC cables. Next, remove the inner hex screw from the upper panel as shown in the video to attach the breadboard via a Velcro patch. Cut out a Velcro patch the size of your breadboard and attach one side to your breadboard and the other side to the center of the upper panel.